My name is Matthew Turon. My project is Plant Seed Education. Plant Seed Education is trying to create conscious, connected and courageous individuals in South Africa. We do that through education workshops.
Hello everybody, my name is Solitude Monwabi Sidasi. Poetics Music Not for the Sake of It is a platform where we enable everyone a space to share and communicate their thoughts through, using whatever mediums that they feel comfortable with to share, and in a space where it's safe to share and actually interact and get the support that you need in order to move forward.
My name is Kathy Achilles and I'm the operations manager of Youth Interpreter magazine. What inspired us to start the magazine was to tell the stories of our young people in South Africa and also to empower young people that their story is powerful.
My name is Thomas Chevalier. I'm the founder of Sustainable Brothers and Sisters,
which is a platform for collaboration in order to create environmental consciousness and social change.
Hi, I'm Chelsea.
Hello, I'm Alison.
And we started Feet Soccer in 2012.
Feet Soccer is a designer sub-brand that we developed towards the end of 2012.
The name is Mkhuseli Madiba, all the way from Limpopo. I started an organization called Township Youth Movement. Township Youth Movement's vision is to change the mindset of township youth to not think of themselves as not enough, but to think of themselves as enough and worthy to do anything that they want to do in their life.
Being a part of Activate, coming from a privileged background, going to a privileged school, you really, especially here in Cape Town, you're very much in a bubble.
It's opened our eyes as to the lack of community within our culture. We've become a lot more aware of the need for things like Activate.
Being in a space where I got to engage with white South Africans, personally for me was a different experience because I got to hear from the other side, not from my side. So I think in terms of the thinking, I'm not always having one-sided story, but I have both sides. So I'm always asking questions to the right people.
Yeah, I actually met, I can say, almost all kinds of people.
The Activate network, when I joined it, helped me see different perspectives, not from just a suburban perspective, but perspectives from all around Cape Town, Cape Flats, Khayelitsha, Nyanga, all the different local communities that actually collect us as a nation.
Meeting so many great people from all over the country and hearing stories from people who are from very different walks of life to you and getting some perspective about the country you live in.
It gave me a lot of perspective, and now I'm able to vision a lot of the things that I'm trying to put together.
And it's really just helped me understand the dynamics, not just in Cape Town, but in the rest of the country.
We wanted to use our knowledge that we've developed over the past few years to share it.
You can connect with certain people for certain resources that you may need, that you will struggle, and that might take you longer to get if you were to do it on your own.
So Activate, the best skill that it's provided me with is definitely a mindset skill.
It's provided me with a network of people to work with a set of skills other people have that I don't have, and to learning those skills.
A lot of the innovation tools and project planning, things that we learned in the first year of Activate really assisted us in how to build the project.
Through the Activate program, I found out that my voice is important and that my voice matters.
It's helped me develop project management skills to help me develop my business model and help me project better ideas onto what I need to do and how I'm going to do it.
How to reach that end goal. So it's the steps along the way and how you make sure each of the steps are met so that you can actually attain your end goal, and I think that's really important.
When you actually hear stories and you get to know people and you become friends with them, you join a community of really interesting change-driving people, which I think was really amazing for me. Yeah.
I call upon you to join the Activate network so that you can join into the conversation of where South Africa will be going and how we will be transforming into a more inclusive nation.
If you want to make a lot of new friends and learn a lot and grow your consciousness, join Activate.
If you want anything good in your life, you have to try Activate and drive that change.
When you step up and you decide, you know what, I'm going to do something for our country, that is when change happens. So what I would ask is for you to join Activate, and collectively we can become a movement to change our country.
So I would encourage people who are passionate about building South Africa to join it, because personally there's no other program like Activate. We are in one country and we want to see this country blossom into a beautiful tree for everyone.
You know, sharing different ideas and, you know, visions that are geared towards making the place that we live in a better place.
Seeing that the dream that we have for South Africa, that we can actually be the generation that restores what apartheid has damaged in our country and actually make South Africa this beautiful country that it should be.